Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Twisted Ignition. I'm Mike.
I'm Nate.
And I'm Rick. And today we have an unusual project because, well, it broke down while I was driving it. It is my dad's S-10, and we were driving along, and we think the timing chain went because it just decided to shut off.
Yeah. So we were originally going to go and start working on the C-10, but this kind of took a little bit more priority.
Yeah, unfortunately. So
Yeah.
sometimes you got to do maintenance instead of fun projects. But
Yeah. We'll get back to it soon, though.
yeah. Yeah, we got a little four banger here.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
It's unfortunately a lot of stuff in here. Yeah. So we're going to take the air compressor off, get that out of the way, the intake, and all this, because it is somewhere down there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Somewhere where
you can't sit down there.
somewhere down in there in the abyss.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Well, I have full faith and confidence that you got this. So we've got some serious light on this engine bay because if it works, it's not stupid.
That is true. And it's a little hard to illuminate the engine bay well enough for the camera to see. So
take a shop light, mount it to the top of the roof, and you're good.
Yeah, but I don't think all vehicles have like these holes. See where the holes are for the springs? Like that's genius.
hey, it worked out.
I'm glad you liked it, man.
I might want to just cut holes into my all my hoods now for this.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go that far.
Hey, air filter's really nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
You ever change it?
You got to talk to my... Oh, don't look at the bottom side.
It looks good from up top, right?
Hey, if you're watching this, Dad, you need to change your air filter. It's a little dirty.
Okay.
Well, that didn't give us much extra room, did it?
Looks like you're gonna have to pull the shroud.
Spinny, 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 spinny.
And almost
Wiggle, wiggle.
got it out. And that is the lower fan shroud. Easy. Be delicate.
Well, no. See, it's still so fresh and new that you can throw it.
Okay.
I don't know if they can see this, but
That's a bit,
it's a little cracky.
yeah, I'd say that's in need of a replacement.
Yeah.
While we're in here, you might as well. So I can throw that too, see?
Yeah, that you can throw.
Think we can get that whole pulley off without pulling that band off? We're going to give it a try.
Alright. Bolts are off the fan pulley and
Are you trying to attempt to pull that off?
yeah.
'Cause,
There's an issue that I'm just realizing.
that we need to take the clutch fan off.
Yeah,
Which we
Rick was
should've.
wrong.
Oh my God, we have that on film. Excellent.
Yeah, Rick was wrong. We need to take off the fan clutch before we could take the pulley off.
So we are about to take off the clutch fan. We have this tool, but to hold the bolts on the top, it gets in the way of said tool on the top. So one of us has to go underneath.
And you know what that means. You gotta play rock, paper, scissors.
You know, I'm out of practice.
Me too. It's been a while since we did this, so
I've been practicing in front of the mirror, so it's game on.
I bet you have. You're probably like, rock, paper, scissors, I lost. Damn it.
I think he'd have a perfect score, but I think he's got a point.
He probably loses in the mirror.
That's impressive.
All right, ready? On says shoot.
Well, of course, we're at your house.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors says shoot. Wow. First round loser, buddy. First round, and he was the cameraman. He thought he wasn't going to do nothing today.
I guess today is the day I'm doing something.
Have a tool.
Thank you.
We'll record you from the top.
If you guys can't tell, there is a
Oh, you gotta go
there's
up.
a mic down there.
Can't see. Yeah, like
Gotta go up, like
I can't.
to your. That go that way.
That way.
Yeah. Ow! Stabbed me.
Sorry.
They do make a wrench For this, we don't have said wrench, but a lot of guys use an air hammer and give it a little tappy tap on the edge of the nut, and it's supposed to come off. Alright, we got it loose enough, so he's just on spinning it by hand there, huh?
Yeah, it's coming off nicely.
It's
And
nice.
we'll show, once this is off, we'll show you why we're not the biggest fan of using an air chisel.
What do we got, Nate?
So you can see right there,
Oh yeah, look at that.
it's really gnarled up, and that's kind of why we don't really like using an air chisel.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
It's
Yeah.
gnarly. Yeah, it's gnarly.
But it works. It does
Hands
work.
off.
It does work.
Fan is off.
Crank pulley is not supposed to move until you put a pulley puller on it.
You don't happen to.
Oh, you know what? That is a...
You don't think this is a two-piece crank, do you?
No, I'm thinking that maybe something might be broken.
But like I said, two-piece crank.
Yeah, that should be a pressed on there. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna have to look that up, but I'm 95% certain.
Oh, that
No.
that
Oh
can't.
no, that was not pressed on.
No, it's not a pressed on.
I'm sorry. I am.
You had us worried.
Yeah, I was a little shaken up.
Oh, because that's pressed on.
Yes.
Look at that. Sorry, I've never done a 2-2 before. I'm a small block.
Yeah,
guy.
we're all learning here.
Yeah.
We're all learning.
So we're
here.
still gonna need the puller.
Yeah, we got the pulley puller.
The puller of the pulleys.
Because it moves before I put pressure to it.
Okay.
What, did I really drop one? You want to hold the camera for Mike for a second? I dropped.
You're
the ball.
gonna make me go. And,
Hi guys. Hi
Sorry,
Mike.
Mike. I dropped the bolt.
I will retrieve it.
You did lose, rock, paper,
I did
scissors.
lose. That's why I'm not putting up a fight.
Sorry, buddy.
It's okay.
See, it wasn't even that hard.
It wasn't that hard, but it's the principle.
Tell you what, these little guys impress you sometimes.
Yeah.
Although, on our last video, we just had a Milwaukee break.
What we got?
Alright, we are just about to get the timing chain.
And it
Don't slip now.
definitely looks like it broke.
All right, we're taking the timing chain out because it's jammed on the bottom below the crank, and we can't lift the said timing cover up
Yeah.
because it's jammed in there.
Now,
You want me to spin this?
yeah, go ahead and spin it. Ooh.
Hey, we got broken chain.
Yeah, we do.
Well, that was definitely at least good to know that that's what the problem was.
Yeah. We would also show you the broken guide, but somebody dropped it in the headlight. So,
That was him, by the way.
yeah. Well, somebody put it there.
Someone did put it there. It was me. And someone pushed it down there. Which was him.
Nope. Oh man, we got all sorts of pieces.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'd say we do.
There it is.
Guides, yeah.
This is the broken tensioner.
That was there, and this was here somewhere.
Yep, roughly.
And you can actually see the gear in, not the gear, but see the no, that actually looks like the gear, but
Yeah.
maybe the chain, I don't know. This must have broke off and got crumbled in there.
Yeah, we are missing the entire
Other
top-
half of it?
Yeah, the entire top piece of this bracket.
That's the piece that you dropped down in the headlight.
Yeah.
So it didn't go into the motor, but
yeah.
it went in the headlight.
So we got a whole bunch of new parts. Oil filter, the sprockets for the timing chain, the tensioner. We got a new serpentine belt, water pump gasket, air filter. On the cam sprocket, there's this little hole that's a different size than the rest, and that is your timing mark, and that lines up with that little itty bitty dot on the cam. sprocket. You line them.
Crank sprocket.
I keep saying cam.
Yeah, you do.
All right. Crank sprocket. I keep saying cam. But these little dimple and that little hole line up, and then that gets you set into timing for top dead center. No, bottom dead center for cylinder 1. Either top dead center or bottom dead center.
That should be top dead center, but who might have said?
I'm not sure.
You're having an off day, so
I am having an off day. We have everything apart and out, cleaned up, ready to go, and we're just getting everything set up to install stuff.
Yeah, and because we don't have a said installer, we are making our own installer. Now this bolt is the original crank bolt, but it's not long. The kit has a long bolt, so you can push this in with a little shim. What I'm going to do, or what I did already, is I took this and I rasped the inside to make it slide over the crank. So now this is the old one, by the way. This literally will just slide in and out. So we can put said gear on first, new gear on first. Alright, that's the end of that bolt. So because we don't have that said longer bolt, I have lots of pipe. So I cut the pipe so it's about the same length as the bolt. This will slide over the crank, make sure it's big enough to slide over the crank. That goes over it like that, and the bolt goes in it. And voila! Installed! There we go! Belts on! I'll, in case you're wondering about the way it's supposed to be routed, you can see it clearly over the air conditioner, over the power steering, around the idler, around the crank, over the tensioner, over the alternator, and down below the idler, which looks like a water pump, but it's not. I'm going to keep calling that a water pump until I'm done with this job. And also, don't forget to plug in the air conditioner, or it's not going to work. So now, all I got to do is hook up some hoses and put all the plastic pieces together. As you can see, it's all back together. So all I got to do is an oil change and top off the antifreeze, and then she's done. And hopefully there's no more timing chain issues. So we'll get another at least 30,000 out of it. I guess that's what they go. I don't know. But all right, so this has been another episode of Twisted Ignition. See you guys later.